Now I am going to tell you some other most important words related to law. If you want to know, then must watch this video start to end. Okay, first is acquit. Acquit means दोष मुक्त करना. Second is act. Act means कानून या धारा. Third, act in force. Act in force means प्रचलित अधिनियम. Fourth, act and manuals. Act and manuals means अधिनियम एवं नियमावलियाँ. Fifth is adjudication. Adjudication means न्यायिक फैसला. Sixth is advocate general. Advocate general means महाधिवक्ता. Okay.